Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary. Today, based on a request, I am going to use this Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 to show you how to use the Mercedes-Benz Dashcam that is built into the vehicle. Now keep in mind, your vehicle has to be properly equipped with this feature, and I'll show you where to go to look to see if you do or don't have it. But in the event that you do have it and you want to know how to use it, that's what we're going to talk about today. And of course, the first thing you're going to need is a USB or a flash drive with an adapter. And I'll show you what to do next after we hop into the vehicle. Okay guys, now that we're here at the MBUX screen, here's what you need to do. You're going to go over here to Mercedes, Me, and Apps. That's what you're going to select. Now, most likely you'll start right here at Apps, scroll all the way over to the right, and if you see Dashcam, then once you insert your drive into the proper port down there, which I've shown you where to do that on the screen, and you'll figure it out. If it doesn't work, just change ports. It's going to be on the right-hand side. You have a couple of different options. You can do individual recording, as you can see right here, or you can do loop recording. And the loop recording is just going to record for so long, and then it's going to erase what you recorded and basically start again, essentially. But it's as simple as choosing what option you want to use, and then you just push record, and there you go, you're set. And all you have to do is drive. And of course, you're going to want to make sure to get as much storage space on your USB drive as you possibly can. That's all you have to do, and you're ready to go. And that's how easy it is to use the Dashcam option in your properly equipped Mercedes-Benz vehicle. Make sure to tell me what you want to see me feature, whether it's a quick tutorial like this or a specific vehicle you want to see me review here on the Vehicle Visionary YouTube channel. I appreciate my friends here at Mercedes-Benz of Shreveport for the use of this GLE for this video, and all of you for being kind enough to take the time to watch. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.